Lucid is making big changes to its Lucid Air Grand Touring by boosting its range to 516 miles with faster charging. After I read about this news, I saw a comment in which one person who claims to be a Tesla Model S owner says literally this. Listen to this. He said, "Looks like a Tesla Model S killer to me. And I'm speaking as someone who's been actively looking to replace my 2020 fully loaded ludicrous FSD free supercharging for life Model S. I don't know much about Lucid's track record," he says, "reliability, or frankly prospects of remaining in business. When I bought my Model S in 2020, the 9-year-old design was still crisp and many of the manufacturing issues had been resolved, although the tech was still disturbingly buggy. While the design is now getting stale, it's still a gorgeous car and outperforms just about anything else on the road. But this Lucid Air definitely turns my head," he says. That's what that Tesla Model S owner wrote. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please give us thumbs up for this report and subscribe to this channel as I'm telling you this interesting story. New details on the longest range electric car in the United States, Lucid Air Grand Touring, have been revealed. Lucid's new 2024 Air Grand Touring gains faster charging, a heat pump, and 516 miles of range. And you get all of that with 12% discount compared to the last year's model. So the longest range electric vehicle in the United States is getting even better. Lucid's upgraded 2024 Air Grand Touring for better efficiency and faster charging. This is good sign for Lucid and Lucid Air. Lucid's new GT model is now equipped with the high performance Air Sapphire's heat pump. This allows the 2024 Grand Touring to deliver outstanding range even in extremely cold conditions. The proprietary motor design, better cell chemistry, and thermal features have been enhanced to reduce wasted energy as heat even during sustained spirited driving. Lucid says the 2024 GT model features about 15% to 30% faster DC charging speed to quickly get you back on the road. The 2024 Model Y gains improved automatic preconditioning as you travel to the charging stations, enabling faster charging once you plug it in. The 2024 Air Grand Touring keeps its 516 miles EPA estimated range, the longest of any electric vehicle in the United States. However, with a borrowed heat pump from the Sapphire, Lucid says the Grand Touring can deliver outstanding range in a broader range of real-world conditions. The Air Grand Touring is our longest range car, in fact the longest range EV available today, and is now further optimized with a multitude of powertrain updates, including the Air Sapphire heat pump. CEO of Lucid, Peter Rawlinson, explained. The 2024 Lucid Air Grand Touring starts at $109,900. That's a 12.5% price cut from the $125,600 starting price in January. Lucid expects to build 9,000 electric cars this year, with 2,391 made in the first 3 months of the year already. I think they can pick it up the speed, and as the prices come down and the range is added, I think Lucid Air's sales should go up. That's my personal feeling. What about you? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Recently I was test driving in a Lucid Air Sapphire in Sonoma County and was very much impressed by the results of this vehicle. Love the car very much, and I'm looking forward to see more good news coming from Lucid Motors. God bless you, everyone. See you soon in our next report.